A $28 cream that shrinks pores in one day? Sounds like skincare BS, but this Medicube Zero Pore Cream has some interesting science behind it. Let me break down if it's worth your money. This Korean cream promises visible pore reduction with 5% panthenol for hydration, 0.1% salicylic acid for deep pore cleaning, and niacinamide for oil control. Clinical studies show 95% user satisfaction, but here's the reality check. Pores don't actually shrink. What happens is your skin gets smoother and more hydrated, making pores appear smaller. The product has clinical backing. Studies show improvements in pore appearance and oil control with ingredients like salicylic acid and niacinamide. Beauty influencers like it, and most customer feedback is positive about the lightweight texture. But the real complaints? That $28 price tag for 50 milliliters, and some users with sensitive skin finding it drying. That one-day claim? Pure marketing. Results need consistent use. Buy it if you have oily, acne-prone skin and don't mind spending $28 on a moisturizer with BHA. Skip it if you're on a budget or have dry, sensitive skin. Budget alternatives? CeraVe PM with niacinamide for $14 or The Ordinary's niacinamide for $7. Bottom line, decent product with solid clinical data, but overpriced. The science works, the marketing is exaggerated. Let me know what pore products you swear by in the comments, and subscribe for more honest beauty reviews.